Alright, this dude's going to Orf. From Austin to Orf. Sounds like Lord of the Rings or something, but it's actually Norfolk International. That's in Virginia. Orf. It's an XO jet. And they're off to Orf. This dude's heading for Centennial, Colorado. KAPA, Centennial Airport. I have a video from there. Not many of you have seen it. Here he goes. Family viewing area from fabulous Austin Bergstrom International Airport, December 13th, Saturday. Off to Colorado. Austin's finest, driving by here at the family viewing area. Alright, I guess we look pretty innocent out here. He's not stopping to ask questions. Boeing 737, operated by Southwest Airlines, coming in from Orlando. A load of tourists coming from Disney World, SeaWorld. I don't know what all is there. It's a lot. But here we go. Getting ready for a touchdown on 17 left. Getting down the runway a little ways. There we go. We'll get on the ground. There he is. Hard to see, you know, they're camouflaged. Military aviation here at Austin Bergstrom International Airport. I think this is North Korean. But it is turning up onto 17 left, getting ready for a southbound departure. Get the hell out of Austin. Yeah, not too worried about the noise those things make. They just power. That's all they care about. We already had one of these take off. Now we have to get home and look up the precise make and model of this aircraft. I don't know what it is. The guy over here in the Tahoe, he didn't know either, but it's cool. Naval aviation taking place here in Central Texas. Fabulous Austin Bergstrom International Airport. Military operations going on. Naval operations happening. Here we have an aviator letting the brakes off and heading down 17 left. It's almost like we're on a carrier deck here. There's so many of these F-5s leaving. I hope it's an F-5, otherwise I'll be somewhat embarrassed. Here we go. The thunderous roar. Definitely a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737. I think it's going to San Diego. Set the tripod free. So I think this is going to San Diego. San Diego. Diego. Finally getting off the ground. Got a lot of people on that thing. What do you think of the exposure? Underexposed? Look at that. What do you think? How's that look? The plane seems to show up pretty good. You can't see anything else. And it only shows up because it's white. Let's just blow it out. Oh my God, that's totally overexposed. That is terrible. That's not even... Anyhow, let's stop playing around. Let's let the camera set the exposure. -1.7, -3. There we go. That's a 0. Under overexposed adjustment setting there. This guy is going to John F. Kennedy in New York. Well, we've been having families out here. This guy with 2 kids. Just as he was leaving, a mother with her 1 son showed up, so we did have a net loss of 1 child. The son threw his last stone. His mom got fed up and they left. This is an MD-90 Delta from Atlanta, setting down on 17 left, Central Texas, Austin Bergstrom International Airport. There's Delta from Atlanta, Hartsfield, Maynard, Jackson. Just add some more names onto there. Atlanta, Hartsfield, Maynard, Jackson, Earnhardt, Petty. We go on a stock car theme. Johnson. Myers, Stapleton, McGuire Airport in Atlanta. This is JetBlue taking precedence over United. JetBlue is heading for Hollywood International in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Lost 1 child and now we've gained another, so we've had no net change in the number of children here at the family viewing area. JetBlue going to Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International. Looks Brazilian, Portuguese speaking airplane. Heading to Fort Lauderdale. Crane operations taking place today at Austin Bergstrom's brand new parking garage, new structure over there. Not open yet, as far as I know. Have to get over there, see what kind of view you get of aviation operations. It'll be an expensive view. Crane's turning. The crane, there's more action on the parking garage than here on the airfield. Back it up so we get the view of the crane. Maybe I can back up, I can get everything. We can get the crane and the airplanes. Oh yeah, that's a good shot there. Crane is turning counterclockwise. It does have something. It's lifting operations over there on the parking structure. Nope. Sounds like we're testing. Little unusual method for takeoff out here. I don't know if it's a malfunction. If it is, maybe it'll catch fire. Add some excitement to today's video production, December 13th, here at Austin Bergstrom International Airport. I don't know if I'd really want to get this thing up in the air. Now, if this guy knew how to fly a little better, he would have been in the air prior to reaching the tower, but I don't know. I think this might be worth following. Small plane plummets from the sky. Nope. Heading from the Lone Star State to the Garden State, New Jersey. Newark. This plane has been sitting over there longer than it will take for it to get to Houston. It's going to George Bush Intergalactic, KIAH. Getting out of here though, that's for sure. I think this is going to Dallas. It's Southwest Airlines heading up to Love Field. The pilot is making haste. Definitely wants to get out of Austin. Must be minutes behind schedule. Can make it up by saving on taxi time. Really rushed out here, rushed up onto the runway, rushed the throttles forward, and rushing down 17 left to get up into the air in a big rush. Probably turn left out there and head up to Dallas. Frontier, it's Frontier, probably from Denver. All Frontier comes from Denver. Yeah, it's about 11:40. Yeah, it's the Frontier. Not the smoothest landing, but effective. Certainly on the ground. Slowing down. Frontier. Denver to Austin.